Algorand value equivalent to 3.2086 rands a coin. The present cost range, 3.1642 to 3.2398. The earlier day close, 3.1896. The change was plus 0.0190, plus 0.60%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ALGO. Algorand cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost 3.07 rands, high 3.28, low 2.86. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, May 23, cost 3.14 rands, high 3.36, low 2.92. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost 3.19 rands, high 3.41, low 2.97. Algorand gauge on Thursday, May 25, cost 3.22 rands, high 3.45, low 2.99. In multi-week Algorand cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost 3.26 rands, high 3.49, low 3.03. Algorand gauge on Monday, May 29, cost 3.26 rands, high 3.49, low 3.03. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost 3.35 rands, high 3.58, low 3.12. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost 3.28 rands, high 3.51, low 3.05. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost 3.33 rands, high 3.56, low 3.10. In about 14 days Algorand gauge on Friday, June 2, cost 3.37 rands, high 3.61, low 3.13. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, June 5, cost 3.20 rands, high 3.42, low 2.98. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost 3.13 rands, high 3.35, low 2.91. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, June 7, cost 3.04 rands, high 3.25, low 2.83. Algorand estimate on Thursday, June 8, cost 3.13 rands, high 3.35, low 2.91. In 3 weeks Algorand cost forecast on Friday, June 9, cost 3.06 rands, high 3.27, low 2.85. Algorand estimate on Monday, June 12, cost 3.08 rands, high 3.30, low 2.86. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, June 13, cost 3.12 rands, high 3.34, low 2.90. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, June 14, cost 3.10 rands, high 3.32, low 2.88. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, June 15, cost 3.05 rands, high 3.26, low 2.84. In about a month Algorand estimate on Friday, June 16, cost 3.06 rands, high 3.27, low 2.85. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, June 19, cost 3.02 rands, high 3.23, low 2.81. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, June 20, cost 3.07 rands, high 3.28, low 2.86. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for May 2023. At the outset cost at 3.30 rands, excessive cost 3.58, while low cost 2.86. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.26. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.28, change for May 0.6%. Algorand conjecture for June 2023. At the outset cost at 3.28 rands, excessive cost 3.61, while low cost 2.73. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.25. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.37, change for June 2.7%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 3.37 rands, excessive cost 3.37, while low cost 2.63. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.05. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 2.83, change for July 16.0%. Algorand estimate for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.83 rands, exorbitant cost 2.83, while low cost 2.37. The found the middle value of cost 2.65. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 2.55, change for August 9.9%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.55 rands, exorbitant cost 2.91, while low cost 2.53. The found the middle value of cost 2.68. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 2.72, change for September 6.7%. Algorand estimate for October 2023. First and foremost, cost at 2.72 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.38, while low cost 2.72. The found the middle value of cost 3.00. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3.16, change for October 16.2%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost, cost at 3.16 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.16, while low cost 2.46. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.86. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.65, change for November 16.1%. Algorand figure for December 2023. Before all else, cost at 2.65 rands. Excessive cost 2.65, while low cost 2.07. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.40. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.23, change for December 15.8%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else, cost at 2.23 rands. Excessive cost 2.45, while low cost 2.13. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.28. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.29, change for January 2.7%. Algorand figure for February 2024. Before all else, cost at 2.29 rands. Excessive cost 2.85, while low cost 2.29. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.52. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.66, change for February 16.2%. Algorand cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else, cost at 2.66 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.66, while low cost 2.19. The found the middle value of cost 2.47. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.35, change for spring 11.7%. Algorand gauge for April 2024. To start with, cost at 2.35 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.74, while low cost 2.35. The found the middle value of cost 2.50. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.56, change for April 8.9%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place, cost at 2.56 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.56, while low cost 2.00. The found the middle value of cost 2.32. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.15, change for May 16.0%. ZAR to ALGO swapping scale equivalent to 0.3117 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.3087-0.3160. The earlier days nearby 0.3135. Change for now 0.0018, 0.57%. Rand to Algorand estimate on Monday, May 22, cost 0.326 coins, high 0.350, low 0.305. ZAR to ALGO forecast on Tuesday, May 23, cost 0.318 coins, high 0.342, low 0.